In this video, we're going to explore how to use CrankWheel for pre-recorded sales demos. If you're looking to efficiently share your sales presentation with potential clients, CrankWheel could be the solution you're looking for, but there's a catch: it's not perfect for everyone. Stick around to see how it compares to other tools that may actually serve your needs even better. Let's start with the basics. CrankWheel lets you share your screen with prospects directly through a web link, making it great for salespeople looking to conduct live demos or even share pre-recorded presentations. It's simple to set up and doesn't require your prospect to download anything. They just click the link and they're in. Now, the first thing you'll notice when setting up a pre-recorded demo with CrankWheel is how easy it is to upload your demo content. You can upload video files or even share slideshows, making it simple to create your ideal demo for potential customers. The next thing is the screen sharing feature. CrankWheel offers instant screen sharing, which means you can seamlessly show your pre-recorded demo without any hassle. It's designed to be user-friendly and doesn't have a steep learning curve, which is perfect for sales teams who want to get started quickly without worrying about tech issues. However, this ease of use does come with some limitations, especially when compared to some more feature-rich platforms. Next thing to consider: CrankWheel is great for one-on-one demos, but it's not the best solution for a large audience. If you need to reach a wider group or want more interactive features like live chat or participant management, CrankWheel may fall short. But if you're just sharing a pre-recorded video and offering a straightforward experience, it works well enough. Now, here's something important. While CrankWheel offers its own recording functionality, it doesn't give you much in terms of advanced analytics or engagement metrics. This means you won't be able to track exactly how your prospects are interacting with your demo content or whether they're staying engaged. For sales teams that want to measure their demo performance, this can be a deal breaker. The fourth thing you should know is CrankWheel's integration abilities. While it integrates with a few CRMs and tools, it's a bit limited in comparison to other platforms. If you're using a more complex CRM system or need to sync your demos with other software, CrankWheel might not be the best fit. Now, let's talk alternatives. There are platforms out there that not only do what CrankWheel does, but offer much more for your sales team. Tools like Alternative Software 1 and Alternative Software 2 can provide advanced analytics, easier integration, and a better experience for larger teams and audiences. So, if CrankWheel sounds like a great option for your pre-recorded sales demos, remember it's not without its flaws. While it's a solid choice for quick and simple demos, there are alternatives that offer more robust features for tracking and engagement. If you're interested, we have an exclusive, extended free trial to Alternative Software 1 and Alternative Software 2 through our link. Plus, these alternatives also offer free trials and come with a host of benefits that could be exactly what you need for more dynamic and effective sales presentations. Check out the link in the description for the best deals and exclusive offers available only to our viewers.